I'm sure we all know about Meatless Mondays. It's that one day out of the week where for the whole day you don't eat meat. And you might be thinking, no! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple, easy, not bland or boring sausage and peppers recipe. Fully vegan, fully plant-based, wheat-free. And I hope you incorporate this recipe not just on Mondays, but any day of the week you're craving a little bit of meatless goodness. I don't want to get my Steve Jobs look. So the things that you will need are only 6 things. 6 ingredients. 6 juicy goodnesses that will combine together. And we will make this amazing concoction that will explode in your mouth. You're going to need Beyond sausages because it's not going to be a sausage and pepper recipe without them. Bell peppers. I use a variety of colors because I just want it to be colorful and beautiful. An onion, some garlic, and my favorite, vegan buttery spread. We're not gonna forget the seasoning. Strongly recommend having at least these 2 on hand. Trader Joe's 21 seasoning and bay leaves. And last but not least, vegetable stock. That's it, that's all you need.
Now you're just gonna take a baking sheet, line it with aluminum foil, take the vegan buttery spread, good chunk. I put a little too much, but butter never killed nobody. And put it all over. Any extra butter, leave it there. It's gonna be tasty and melt.
Alright, I just want you to know, please don't make fun of my onion chopping skills. This is how I chop, just me. And we should all love each other the way we are. When we chop the onions, we don't want to dice them into small little pieces. We are just gonna do the big looking ones, the big slices, all right? The big bad boys. Usually with garlic, I already have it pre-minced, but I already ran out. So, hey, I guess we're gonna cut some garlic together. Oh, my eyes. No, Steve Jobs is crying. So we're gonna take our pan yet again, and we're just gonna draft the garlic on our pan. And then you're gonna take apart the onions like this. So if you're not the type of person that doesn't like onions or garlic, like my brothers, I don't have a substitute for you. I'm sorry. I was really bad. I assume that you could use garlic powder and onion powder for whoever's cooking it for you and just sneak it in. Just try it. Good for you. Makes you cry. Gets you all emotional. Have moved on from chopping our onions. We are now going to chop our peppers. I don't know if anyone else cuts them like this, but I like to cut the bell peppers, whatever like lines that they have. And I feel like it's just so much better and it's easier to dispose of this. So here we go. We're gonna put our 21 season in. I have no measurements for this. I'm just very, very generous with it. Then I like to put this seasoning in. Again, it's from Trader Joe's. I still need to chop my sausages, so what the? All right, here we go. We're gonna do it in one shot. 1, 2, 3. We got them all chopped up. You know what time it is? Put them in the baking sheet, okay? So last but not least, to kick it off so we can put this bad boy in the oven, we're gonna fill it with vegetable stock. So about 1 carton of vegetable stock should be good enough. And then once we're done with that, I'm going to just stick 1 bay leaf. I'm gonna put 2 bay leaves. Now this right here, the beautifulness, you can pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you like your sausages more crispy, put it in there for a little longer. It ain't gonna kill you. Now that our meal is ready to be baked and our oven is preheated and warm and ready for this last final seasonings, if you prefer, you could add a little bit black pepper or salt. I'm gonna put some black truffle salt on this. It has really big flakes of salt and it just gets me so giddy. Will always love you. We did good. So now while you are waiting for your sausage and pepper concoction to bake and be ready for you, this is the perfect time to make some rice, air fry some potatoes, or you can also prep your bread with a bit of butter and slap it on there and make yourself a sausage and pepper sandwich. We're back. So So the sausage peppers are done, and I wish you guys were here with me right now because my kitchen smells so good. It is time for me to taste try it. My mouth is already salivating. Let me give it a shot of my dog. Do you want some too? Good girl. Yes, good girl. You can incorporate this in any day of the week. Have it as your meatless dish. Again, with the sausage and pepper, you can top it on rice. You could put it on potatoes. Slice up a nice bread. Like this one, which I originally purchased for this video, but it's already hard and stale and there's no goodness to this. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do make it, please go ahead, tag me on Instagram. Let me see your creations, your work of art, so I can drool over it. I'll have the recipe and all the ingredients down below so it's easier for you guys to follow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and also click the bell button so you get notified next time I upload a video. And for this video, shout out goes to... And if you want to be featured in the next video, go ahead and comment down below what your favorite recipe is. Have a beautiful day. Bye. I'm going to continue eating this.